Hello everyone and welcome back to the homestead. My name is Therese. If you're new here, I'm glad you found us. Myself, along with my husband Kevin and our son Andrew, we are the Homesteading Hills. Today I thought I would do a video on how to make an Easter ham, how we like to make an Easter ham. This is really easy and really tasty. I'm going to put together for you a whole series of recipes that will compile our whole Easter dinner, beginning with this ham recipe. So follow along in the next couple of days. Each day will be another Easter side dish for y'all. The spin on the whole thing is we're kind of going to go southern on it, how we like to do it here in the South. So I hope that you'll watch and enjoy this video. So this is a Southern Coca-Cola ham, and you're going to need a 10 to 12 pound ham. You're going to need one oven bag, a plastic bag, 1 can of cola, a half a cup of brown sugar, a 1/3 cup of Dijon mustard, and 1 orange sliced into 6 slices. That's the base for this recipe. So today, because I have other side dishes and cakes and things we're doing in the oven, I'm going to do my ham in my roasting pan. So I'm going to go ahead and get that opened. I'm going to get out our oven bag. We only need one. This is has 2 in it, so we'll get this all opened up. And in our roasting pan. The next thing I am going to do is I'm going to go ahead and combine our mustard and our packed brown sugar. Let that sit for a little bit while we're dealing with the ham. This is going to work like a rub, give it that sweet and spicy kind of tang to it that is so good on a good Easter ham. So I'm just going to kind of let this sit here. I'm going to move it over to the side. We're going to be opening up our ham now. So now we're going to go ahead and score the ham. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. We just need to get all of our little flavor pockets in. Okay. So now I'm going to add the ham into our bag. Now we are going to take our mixture of brown sugar and Dijon mustard and completely cover the ham. Now I'm going to go ahead and place to the side on the bottom all of our orange slices. Okay, and then we're going to add in our soda. Don't pour this soda directly on top of the ham or it will take all of our beautiful glaze off of it. So we're just going to pour it in around the bottom. So we're going to use the enclosed tie and allow for some spacing around it. I'm going to turn it on to 350 degrees and put the lid on it, and we're going to start roasting our ham. We're going to leave it in the roaster and leave it alone for 2 to 2.5 hours. Okay, our ham is done, guys. We're going to go ahead and get it plated.
Oh, yeah. Got it.
Yep. Wow.
Okay. Okay, guys, so this is what she looks like. And we're going to go ahead and get everything on the table. And we'll show you what our feast looks like for Easter. And thank you for coming along on this recipe journey for your Easter supper. Thank you all.